Zoho CRM provides a powerful calendar for every user. You can view your calendar in a day view, week view, or month view, so you can find the layout that works best for you. You can also use the filters to drill down to your own calendar, members of a group, or select specific users. There are other options, including the ability to get to a specific date quickly. Zoho CRM Calendar can also be integrated with your Office 365 or Google accounts, keeping them in sync if meetings are added or removed via Zoho, Outlook, web or mobile applications. How appointments get added to your calendar is defined by your business process, and these processes may vary depending on the type of meeting you want to add. So, let's look at the options available. Direct, enter appointments directly into a user's calendar. Integration, syncing external calendars with Zoho CRM Calendar. Automation, use features like the blueprints to automate the calendar entries. Online, using self-booking applications like Zoho Bookings or Calendly. Widget, use the booking management widget as part of your process. In this video, we are going to provide a high-level overview of each process to help you decide the one that is right for you. Direct, when you open the calendar, you can click on the date and time to create a new meeting record. Fill in the details and link the meeting to a lead or contact. You can also choose Others, which opens up a list of modules. For example, if I want to link a meeting to an inquiry, I can choose the inquiry module as an option, then search for the inquiry record. You can use the repeat features for recurring meetings. Select the host of the meeting, which is important for it to correctly display in their calendar and set reminders. Integration. If your calendar is configured to integrate with external applications, new meetings will automatically be reflected on other applications, such as a calendar on your mobile device. If you enter a new appointment from your mobile or software that's integrated, it will sync back to Zoho CRM Calendar. Automation. Using automations like the blueprint in the inquiry process, you can complete the fields and an automation will create the meeting in your CRM calendar and link the host and participants. The benefit of using automations is the meeting date and time is stored in the inquiry record. This means your pipeline and reports can display this key date and capture different dates and times for different meeting purposes. Online, if you want your customers to choose their preferred meeting date and time, you can integrate with Zoho Bookings. Zoho Bookings has multiple configuration options, including themes for branding and style, as well as meeting types, resources, fees, and availability. Widgets. If you want to provide the customer with recommended dates and times that considers the location of the meeting, the type of job, and the resources, skills, and experience, then the booking management widget may be better suited to your needs. The booking management widget also provides a custom calendar layout that can be tailored to your business needs to provide maximum efficiency on how you need to see your calendar meetings. Booking management also provides integration to Route IQ to help you find the right person to attend a meeting based on the location, other meetings, and travel time. Zoho CRM Calendar is powerful and the native features may provide all the functionality you need. If your business needs a bit more, explore the videos on Zoho Bookings, Blueprint Calendar Automations, and the Booking Management Widget to find the best fit for your business.